Hi everyone, I am Richa Sehra, Editor-in-Chief, Responsible Hospitals, and today I have Dr. Mayank Madan with me, and who is one of the big specialist surgeon in weight loss, in laparoscopic surgery, and with CK Birla Hospital, Gurgaon. So he is with us, and he will be talking about his personal story because you have been listening to him since long time about the technicalities, and today is the time when I got him to talk about he himself. So hi doctor, welcome to you. And Dr. Mayank, because a lot of people they really trust you a lot. They see your work and they really want to get treatment done by you. Being a laparoscopic surgeon and weight loss surgeon is such a big responsibility that you are giving to the society. So I want to start with, first of all, if you can just start with a brief of what is laparoscopic surgery actually.
See, laparoscopic surgery means it's a keyhole surgery. See, conventionally what we used to do, we used to make big cuts into your tummies and to reach the organ. Now we make small holes. We put in a camera through those small holes, we put small instruments to do the surgical procedure. So this is laparoscopy.
Okay. So doctor, I just want to know that how you chose about this field specifically, because you can be in any field being a doctor. What made you to choose specific category of laparoscopy?
I think my training has been with PGI Rohtak. So I got a pretty good exposure there into laparoscopy surgeries. And this passion for surgery, in fact, I'm pretty much passionate about GI surgeries, gastro surgeries. So this was a natural evolvement for me from an open surgeon to getting to the laparoscopic field.
I think that was the need of the society also these days, because initially there was surgery was a name where people used to feel so scared that it would have been better that way. But now I think things have changed drastically.
Definitely.
There are a lot of advanced methodologies to it. So being a surgeon, how do you manage your timelines? Who all are there in your family? Tell something about yourself.
See, I have a full house, I'll say, and I am pretty blessed because of that. I stay with my parents here, my mom, dad. I have a wife, she's also a doctor, she's a psychiatrist, and I have one daughter and a son.
That's
He's
awesome.
13 and 7. So that way I feel I'm blessed. So yes, it's little difficult to manage times, but I'll say everybody has actually adjusted according to my time schedule.
That's superb, that's commendable, because being a surgeon, it's not an easy job, guys, because you are responsible, you have to go for surgeries anytime, and those surgeries might take longer time, longer hours.
Definitely.
Right. So, since you just mentioned about your kids, do you want them also to become a doctor?
See, it's an open field for them. But yes, I would love if they become doctors. I feel there is no better profession than being a doctor.
That's
really
awesome. That's a blessing, because being a doctor is such a responsible thing, and we really want more people to indulge in this category because we really require that support in India. So doctor, to tell something about, you belong to which place, how did you, how much time it took you to become a senior doctor and getting into so many fields?
See, I belong to a small place, if you have heard, it's Bhiwani. It's a small town in Haryana itself. So all my schooling was there. In Bhiwani, did my 12th, and I did my 12th in 1994. And same year I got into medical college, Rohtak, PGI Rohtak. I've done my MBBS from there, I've done my MS also from there. And briefly after my MS, I had worked as assistant professor in the PGI Rohtak itself.
Okay.
And somehow, as I told you, that I got involved and evolved also, I'll say. And got into the field of laparoscopic surgery, and I went for my super specialization in advanced laparoscopic surgeries and bariatric. Bariatric is weight loss.
Sure.
So I did 2 years of fellowship in Hyderabad with one of the leading hospitals, that's Global Hospital. Came back to Gurgaon, started my practice here, and God has been ever kind.
That's superb. So since you just mentioned about the weight loss surgeries, we'll just talk about it more, because in a layman term, people understand weight loss surgeries more. What kind of patient do you think they should come to you? What kind of, how do you count that these guys are the ones they need the surgeries?
people who are morbidly obese. This is
Okay.
something we call by the terminology. There is terminology known as BMI, body mass index. So anyone above 30 or 32.5, we usually recommend that you please come and have a consultation with us. So there are certain criteria with which we can offer them various modalities by which they can lose the weight. Initially it can be dieting, it can be targeted exercise program, it can be yoga schedules, all those things. But for surgical procedures, yes, there are strict criteria that we follow. Anyone who has a BMI more than 37.5 in India, he or she qualifies for it. Or a patient or a person who is having certain issues like diabetes, blood pressure, heart issues, maybe some sleep apnea issues, joint pains issues, and a body mass index of 32.5.
Okay.
So all those patients, they can benefit by getting these weight loss surgeries. And to be very frank, it's not simply about weight loss anymore. It's about managing all these issues. as well.
Absolutely.
The sugar, the blood pressure, the heart diseases, all these things, they get better as they lose weight. So it's not only about weight loss, I say.
So are these surgeries are entirely safe, and how do they see the transformation? People who are going through this and when they go through with the surgeries. So afterwards, once they are done with the surgery, what kind of transformation they can expect?
See, I'll say this is one of the most miraculous surgeries that can happen. That in fact doctors or surgeons have got in their hands. So initially, all these surgeries, as I'm telling you, they are done by laparoscopy only. Again, it's done by keyhole surgeries. Usual stay with me in the hospital is only 1 to 2 days. Within 2 days, you are back home. Okay.
That's amazing.
Yeah, and immediately you don't see the results. It's not like you come with 140 kgs and you are out with 70 kgs. It's not like that. 140, you go back 140 only. So you lose weight over a period of next 7 to 10 months.
Okay.
It's a gradual weight loss.
Okay.
And so the transformation is seen over that period of time.
Okay. But definitely it will happen. Gradually you give the time that within
definitely.
1 year time frame also if somebody keeps. So how can he expect his transformation from 140 to what?
142, he will come down to almost his normal BMI.
That's
Suppose BMI depends on the height also. Suppose I say a patient who is 5'7" or 5'6", suppose. So his or her weight should not be more than 65, 70 kg. Nice. And if he is 130 or 140 kgs, that means the BMI is more than twice. So we can almost expect him to come down to 70 to 75 kgs of weight over a period of next maximum 1 year.
That's amazing. I mean, within 1 year, you're back to normal. You can actually do wonders and you get more confident. I mean, you see a big change in the society, the way people talk to you, the way people see you, the way people treat you. I think you will see wonders. And somebody should actually give it a try, at least consult once to understand the whole scenario. That's a mind-blowing thing. Because I wasn't aware myself that this is so magical and it can happen even in also. I thought people might be going out of India for such surgeries.
No, we are doing it very, very regularly these days. There is a lot of awareness. In fact, we are getting so many patients from abroad as well. Almost 40 to 50% of the patients of weight loss which are coming to us are from abroad, from Middle East.
Sure. So these are totally safe. These people are always safe. They have no any problems later on when they are done with the surgery.
See,
Or they do not get back to the same weight.
Surgical procedures are actually very safe, I say. And in fact, the life becomes much safer after this because these comorbidities like sugar, like blood pressure, all these go down. So the complications associated with these issues, they also go down.
Okay.
And regarding weight regain, there are certain reports, maybe to 5 to 10% extra body weight you can gain back in certain cases, that too in very, very small population if you don't take care of your diet. But usually what I have seen over a period of time, that once a person loses weight, he gets so motivated that he doesn't want to put it on again. I have seen people coming down from 140 to 70 and then building up their bodies. They are going to gym. They are regularly going to Zumba because they don't want to get even that extra 1 kg back.
Because they know what they have
They
achieved.
know what they have gone through and what they have achieved now.
Absolutely, absolutely. That's so nice, doctor. I think we are doing such a wonderful job that to in India in Gurgaon. So I have actually taken out your inputs, being what we are doing. Any message you want to give it to your audience, because a lot of people are really scared about such surgeries, or you are also a surgeon of laparoscopic gallbladder. So any message, because people are scared of getting into it. So what message do you want to give to such audience?
See, what I want to say is, I know it's a very tough thing to make a decision to go in under a knife. We know that, but you can't really be like a sitting duck. You can't keep on ignoring your issues, and most of the times people will be spending money on diet courses, maybe going to some specific gyms and all those things, but they won't consult a surgeon. What I say, do have a consultation with any of your doctors, because it's not only about weight loss. Do come and talk about your other issues, as I told about diabetes and all, because all these issues they usually get resolved to large extent. So here it's not only about weight loss, it is again about leading a happy and a healthy life after
Absolutely.
getting this surgery.
So it's like sharing a problem is very important. It's not that you just keep a problem with yourself and try certain things which might not work out for you for longer run. So it's better to find a right person, a right doctor, and you can consult with them and take a decision accordingly. So thank you, doctor. It was really nice being with you, and I have got a lot of information. I think the viewers who are seeing us will be benefited by this, and they would understand that how you as real heroes work for a society, work for your family, and doing a lot for every one of us. Thank you so much for your time.
Thanks, Richard.